Okay, welcome to the video demo of our rebuilt Bridgeport. If you want a machine like this, please press subscribe so you can see each machine we finish going on. Contact us in the description below, so GT Machine parts for these machines, or the full machine, and gtprecision.co.uk for any of the DROs. So we do offer this same DRO system in 2, 3 and 4 axis, and in glass linear scales, which is the industry standard, or the latest ones in the magnetic systems, which is this one's actually running on a magnetic system currently. So yeah, check us out on those websites. So this machine is a 42-inch table, variable speed head, 3-axis DRO. It's got a spawn mech guarding system. We've fully rebuilt the machine, but it hasn't had reground bedways, hasn't needed it because they're still already in really, really good condition. So we've replaced some of the lead screws, but not all of them, but the ones we haven't replaced are literally like new. They are like new. The head has had fully rebuilt, so it's had all new bearings, belts, all sorts of pulleys. The quill's had all new bearings, super precision match bearings in the quill on the spindle. The R8 tape has been reground, and it's all been repainted in the original colour Bridgeport blue grey. It's a really nice machine, and we're going to show you it running now. It's really nice all the way across, lovely and smooth. As I say, these lead screws are literally like new. Same with the Y, lovely and smooth all the way across. The bed, we've got close-up pictures of the bed. It's almost like new. It's absolutely beautiful. The knee's all been serviced as well, brand new bearing in the knee. That's all great. The lube system's all been serviced, so there's a brand new lube pipe, brand new metering units, new lube pump as well. So make sure you pump the pump around once or twice a day to keep the machine in good condition. Okay, so moving on, we're going to test the variable speed head now, and then the quill. Okay, so there we go, firing up, lovely and quiet. We're running around 1,000 RPM. And that's in high range, 50 RPM in high, 2,000 in high, and that's all the way up to 2.8. In reverse now, and we're at 1,400, lovely and quiet, 50, no, 500 it is, not 50. And all the way up to 2.8. 2,000, 1,000, and back down to 500. So all running great. Okay, so I'm only touching the brake just to show you that it does work. Obviously it is only for taking the tool out. So I'll just move this quick release handle out the way. We're going to swap now from high range to low. So we push this handle in, we turn the handle round, and we make sure that the low range is locked in before we fire up. There we go. So we're now running at 50 RPM. There's 110. And all the way up to 240. And then 300. All running great. I'll do reverse now. Reverse is just as good. It's 300. 170, 90, and back down to 60. Okay, so to test the quill, we're going to obviously put it into high range, because otherwise it's going to go really slowly. Before we do that, we'll just push this handle around, and there's another notch here, so there's actually 3 positions. When it's pointing towards the table, that's the neutral position, so you'll be able to turn the spindle freely for clocking up any PCDs, so that's all present and correct. So now we want to just put it into high range, make sure it's in, and then fire up. Okay, so I'll put the handle to the top, just undo the lock, just come off the stop slightly, because it won't engage when it's all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom on the stops. Okay, it's going up at the moment, so we want to reverse the feed. So I'll put this feed reverse knob out. And that now reverses the feed, you see it's feeding down. I'll just make it go a bit faster. It's only running about 500. Okay, that's around 1,200, something like that. So that's so for every spindle speed you have 3 different feed rates. That's the highest feed at the moment. That's the slowest when you've got it horizontal. And that's the medium when you've got it all the way down the bottom there. Okay. So it's going to trip out itself now. It does. Okay, so to reverse it, just come off the stop again. The whole mechanism needs to lift, that's why it has to come off the stop. So we want to reverse it now. Push this feed handle in. There we go, reverses just perfectly as well. I'll let it feed pretty much all the way up. You see that it's good all the way. Okay, so that's all good. So we just locked the quill off there. So you can see now, you can reposition the handle even though the quill's stationary to wherever you need it to be. So it's all running good. Oh, there's a light here, IP65 sealed light as well. Well, the coolant system's all been rebuilt, so there's all brand new pipe, a brand new pump. So that's all working great. There's all new pipe in here. The guarding comes with obviously a CE cert as well. That'll be emailed to you. So yeah, if you want a machine like this, please check us out in the description below, or just give us a call. Thanks for watching.